As a content creator, I must say that creating content is very difficult and time consuming. And what is even worse is to create viral contents. Don't even think about it. But I just found us a solution which is magic. To be honest, their name is actually Submagic. It is an AI platform that lets you to create viral shorts in seconds, obviously with AI. It is the new way to edit videos from raw footage to viral shorts in only 3 clicks. So let me show you exactly how does it work. You can add captions to your video completely with AI. You can also add some B-rolls generated by AI, and what is even great is that you can actually generate magic clips with AI. So what is this exactly? You can just give it your long form video and create different viral shorts. Everything you need to create captivating shorts faster. You can create beautiful AI powered captions in just 48 different languages. You can also transform your videos with B-rolls footage created by AI, and you can also turn long videos into viral shorts instantly. And there is more. You can also trim your video faster and boost your viewer retention by adding some cool transition, dynamic zooms, and to make your content stand out. The platform also allows you to create AI-powered hooks in order to prevent the viewers from scrolling your video. You can save up to 10 hours weekly using this platform. You will get 50+% video engagement and 99% accuracy with your captions. And yes, you can also copy the same style as these content creators as their content goes viral every time. So without killing the time, let's jump inside the platform. I'll show you how this platform works, and what is more interesting, we can also automate the entire process to create viral content. So right now I'm inside my account, and you need to also create your account. There's a link down in the description. You can click on that link. You will get 10% discount for your first month. Either just use the code below this video, or you can click on that link. So right now I'm in my dashboard, and here we can basically do 2 things. We can generate captions and add trendy B-rolls to our video, and also we can use this Get Magic clip, which is basically converting your long form video into different viral short videos. So first I'm gonna start with generating captions. Just click on here. So now you can just drop your video and start editing your video, or here they are saying that try this sample video. So as for demonstration, I'm just gonna use this sample video just to show you how everything works. So click on here and you will be on this page. So here we have a 30 seconds video, and on the left side we can choose our style for our captions. So as you can see here on the left side, we can choose our style, or we can edit the full captions of our video. And here we can use some emojis, or once they have new captions, they add it to this field. We have trendy captions, premium, and the speakers one. So I'm just gonna use all, and you will see all of these styles here. We have Hormozy, we have Kendrick, Sarah, Kelly, Louis. These are all these different captions that famous content creators are using inside their videos. So we have all these styles here. Here we have the position our captions, and if I press play.
Hey, nice to meet you. My name is David. I'm the co-founder.
You will see that here's the caption, and we can also change the position by tweaking this parameter here. You can make it lower or higher on your video, and here you can also change the size by also again changing this. You can also make it bigger or make it smaller. You can change also color for the font, main, second, third. These are all these inside the caption. So let's just say that I want to change this caption to Hormozy 4 style, and it automatically changed all the captions to match the same stuff. So if I press play,
welcome on the product.
So
if you're watching this video, it's probably that you are looking to know like.
So now let's just check emoji. So for example, if here it says Beast. This is for the type of like Mr. Beast is using the captions inside the video. So if I click on this one, and let's say just bring it a little bit lower and make it much more bigger. So now let's just play.
It works. What kind of style of templates you can use on your captions?
Yeah.
So go test it. Go on the section templates
inside the captions. Just feel free to play around and see what matches your style, and you can choose it whatever you want. So if I, for example, choose Hormozy 2,
you can customize it, and as well exactly. You can go on the B-rolls section, add B-rolls, transition, zoom effects, whatever you want. Feel free to use the product if you have it.
Yeah, exactly. You see that in the captions they also use some emojis. So easily you can create your emojis here, and if you want to edit your captions, you can always come here and edit your captions as whatever you want. For example, here you can just delete the word or add some words if you think there's misspelling inside the caption. So right now here you see that there are some red backgrounds here, and if you hover on it, you see that it says a low confidence word. So it means that their AI couldn't understand exactly what is this word, and it has a low confidence score on it. So what we can do is actually to go to this caption and try to play the video and see what exactly speakers say, and if it is the same word, then we can mark it as correct. So let's see.
On the B-rolls section at B-rolls you can go on the B-rolls section at B-rolls transition zoom.
Okay, yeah, in the video it says you can go on the B-roll section, not visual. So if you click here, we obviously don't want to mark it as correct because this is incorrect. We can just edit the text by ourselves. So it says the B-roll, and now I change it to B-roll and I can mark it as correct. So now it says that you can go on the B-roll section. So let's check it again.
You can go on the B-roll section.
Exactly, you see that here it is also shown in the video.
At B-rolls transition.
Yeah. Also here again it says that transition zoom effects.
Zoom effects.
Yeah, this is correct, and we can click on it and mark it as correct. So when we mark it, the red background will disappear. So the next thing is to generate a title hook. So this is for the first frame that we want to generate some hook as a text for our video. So you can click on here and the AI will generate a hook title based on all the captions or based on the context for your video. So let's now we got our hook title. It says that unlock captivating templates, transform your videos with this little movie emoji or camera emoji. Let's just go to the first scene. You see that it says unlock captivating templates, transform your video. This is exactly our hook text based on our context video. So if I click play.
Hey, nice to meet you. My name is David. I'm the co-founder of Submagic.
Yeah, obviously we want to change the position for this because we don't want to cover the text, but feel free, you can do whatever you want. So this was for the caption, and the next section is actually to add some B-rolls. So B-rolls are some scenes that while the speaker is talking, we transition to another scene and we show somehow a relevant scene to whatever our speaker is talking about. So right now we do not have any B-rolls, but what we can do is actually to click here magic B-rolls, and we can say that how many % of our video we want to add B-rolls. So right now it is on 50 as default. I'm just going to keep it on 50, and here you see video source is free videos and premium videos. So if you want to have some good quality B-rolls, then definitely you need to set it on premium videos. So now if I click generate, the AI will generate some perfect B-rolls and automatically add it inside this video. So now you see that it says the B-roll has been added, and let's just go back from the beginning and play and see what kind of B-roll we get.
Hey, nice to meet you. My name is David. I'm the co-founder of Submagic. Welcome on the product. So if you're watching this video, it's probably that you are looking to know like how does it works, what kind of style of templates you can use on your captions. So go test it. Go on the section templates and change the style. You can customize it, and as well you can go on the B-rolls section at B-rolls, transition, zoom effects, whatever you want. Feel free to use the product. If you have any questions, reach us on the bottom on the right to know more information about like any question you have. The team will help you as soon as possible, and I see you soon for a new update on the Discord community or on my.
You see that how AI could actually understand what is our topic and generate some very good relevant B-roll and add it to our video without us lifting a finger. So if you don't like the B-rolls, what we can do is actually click again, and from here you can click update. It will generate new B-rolls. Or if you think the B-rolls are too much, you can just decrease the percentage or maybe increase it. So I'm just gonna reset it because I don't want any B-rolls right now. So the next thing is actually to add a magic zoom, where the AI automatically adds some zoom out or zoom in effects to our video. So just click on magic zoom and it will add it to your video. So let's just go back to our video again. And
nice to meet you. My name is David. I'm the co-founder of Submagic. Welcome on the product. So if you're watching this video, it's probably that you are looking to know like how does it works, what kind of style of templates you can use on your captions. So go test it. Go on the section templates and change.
Yeah, the first scene was zoom out, and the second scene was zoom in, which has a very smooth transition. This effect is very good because we obviously don't want our viewers to get bored. So with these effects, we can just grab their attention and hook them until the end of this video. So there are also some other sections like colors, brand, audio, cover, and AI. So the color is actually color grading your video by increasing brightness, just changing the contrast, saturation, or temperature. Just feel free to move things around and see what exactly is best for your style. The brand is actually to add an image or add an text to your video. Audio is obviously to change some audio settings. Here we can clean our audio by turning this on. It will automatically remove the noises, and from here we can add some music to our video. Here we can upload an image for our cover or select from the video. This is for the first scene, or actually this is for the thumbnail of our video. So the next thing is AI. Here we have some AI features like correcting eye contact. If you are talking to your camera but you are looking away, if you turn this on, it will automatically correct your eyes and make them looking directly into the camera. Again, here we have clean audio, generating hook title. It is on, we already did that. Add b-roll and add magic zoom, we already have talked about it. So nothing more about this section. We also have another section which is trim. This is only for you to trim your video. Maybe you don't like some parts, you can cut it. And some parts of your video there is a silence. You can also remove this silence, or you can also remove bad takes, like some words that you couldn't spell them correctly. You can use this, and here you can also see the full transcription of your video. Once you are done with your video, you can click on export and you can change the quality, and you can also save these presets for the future once you want to edit another video. Once you are done, just click export and it will automatically download it inside your computer. So now let's go back. I want to also show you the second feature, which is get magic clips. So here again you can upload your video, maximum 2 GB, and the maximum length is 180 minutes. So you can give your long form video and you can make different viral shorts out of it. Again, we can use the sample video from Submagic, which is a video from a podcast with Mark Zuckerberg, which is 47 minutes and 10 seconds. The video is about future Mark Zuckerberg is trying to build. So just click on this video, and once you are here, the AI will automatically generate viral short videos from your long video. As you can see that here we have our long form videos, and 29 clips were selected and auto-framed by Submagic AI. So we gave one long form video, we get back 29 ready to post clips already edited by AI. You see that here you have all the videos with also hook title, captions, and maybe some hashtags. And the best part is actually they all have the virality score. So as you can see, the AI also analyzes the video and gives you a score. So this video has 85 score out of 100 viral potential score. So this means that this video has a high potential to go viral if you post it on your social media. And you scroll down, you see all these videos, and from here you can start downloading them, or if you want to change something, you can also click on edit and it will go to the editor for this video, and you can start editing the things inside this video. So now I just clicked on that specific video, and what I don't like, I can change it here. So let's just click play.
You're going to basically be in a world where kids will be able to just describe the...
Yeah, this is the video. It already has the caption. I don't want this caption. I can use another caption. It automatically changes the caption. Or if I want to, for example, change the color or color grading, I can also do that. I can also add some b-rolls to this video. So for example, let's go to the b-roll section, and let's just say that I want 70% of this video to have b-roll with premium videos. So let's just click generate. The AI is so fast, it is generating the b-rolls super fast and adding to the video. Yeah, done, that's it. So let's go back to the beginning of the video and just play it.
You're going to basically be in a world where kids will be able to just describe the things that they want to build incredibly complex pieces of software. So it's
again, this is another b-roll which is super
in that world. Are kids going to be not struggling? I don't think so. I think that they're going to be just...
Yeah, you see how it makes the transition from b-roll to the podcast, and again from podcast to the b-roll, and just adding some cool visual effects. So here we have whoosh fire. This is a effect. Again, here we have camera back, glitch, paper slide. So let's just see what is the paper slide exactly.
describe this thing. And like, yeah, this whole like amazing virtual world is created.
That was the paper slide effect. Yeah, this is very cool, guys. And from here, I can just click export and export this video. So let's just go back again to our magic clips here. From here, you can approve some videos, you can reject some videos, you can export, and you can archive. As you can see, I have 0 approved, 0 rejected, but exported 4, and also I archived 4 of these videos. But totally, we have 29 videos. So imagine that you have so many long form videos, and we just click one button, you can get almost 30 viral short videos out of it, and you can just post it over your social medias. That's it, guys. You see that how Submagic can really do a magic, editing your video, adding captions, adding b-rolls, or making your long video into short videos. So this was just a quick tutorial on the platform on how you can create your account and start using the platform. But the most interesting thing is actually they have integrations, so we can start using some automations and edit our videos without even coming to Submagic platform. So as you can see here, you can they have some popular workflows, and most of them are n8n friendly. We can create n8n workflows and automate the entire process if we can understand their API documentation. So from now on, I'm going to show you how we can read their API documentation, and I'm going to show you how we can create a workflow inside n8n, and to be able to edit your videos, completely automate the entire process, and making viral content 24/7. So let's just click on API documentation. The first thing is actually we need to understand and read their API documentation in order to send data from our n8n to their servers. So here under API reference, we can check we have a health check. This is basically is to check the status of Submagic API, if their API is working or not. The next thing is get languages, get templates, create project, upload project, and get project. I would say that their API is not very complex. I already have read it and tested it a few times. It is very super simple. If you follow my steps and my instructions, you will be able to create your own workflow and just edit your videos directly inside n8n. So the first thing what we need is exactly to create a project. So here it says that create a new video project using a video URL for AI-powered captions generation. So what we should do is exactly to send our video to a Submagic API or servers, and also tell that, hey, I want to do this kind of edits, and the Submagic will take care of it and send us back our edited video. So what we have to do is exactly to call their API address URL, which is a post method inside our n8n. So let's go to n8n and start creating our workflow. So the first step is actually to upload our video inside a Google Drive, and from Google Drive we send it to Submagic. So click here and open Google Drive node, and you need to choose the trigger on changes involving a specific folder. So click here, and from here you need to connect your Google Drive account. Just if you don't know how to do that, click on new credentials, and basically you need a client ID and a secret ID. And if you don't know where to get it, I already have talked about it different times inside my videos, but if you have any problems, you can always go to this link. It says docs, and here n8n will guide you through how you can connect your Google account to your n8n. So the next thing is actually to define the mode. It says that how often this trigger needs to start. So you can choose every minute, every hour, every day, week, month, and whatever you want. So for this video, I just put it on every minute. So this means that every minute it will check for new update inside our Google Drive. The next thing you need to do is to choose your folder here. If you click on this list, you will see all the folders inside your Google Drive account. Right now, I don't have any specific one, but let's just go to my Google Drive and create a new one. So right now I'm inside my Google Drive account, and I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to put a name like Submagic import. So this means that I want to import my video from Google Drive to Submagic. So I'm going to create this folder, and here is the one. So let's go back to n8n, and if we refresh the list, we should be able to see it here. Yes, this is the folder Submagic import. Just click on it, and here it says watch for. This means that what we are watching for. So we are watching for a file updated. So this means that when a file is updated in the watched folder. So whenever I upload a new file, every minute it will look for a new video updated in my file. So nothing more here. We actually can test it with clicking this fetch test event. but we do not have any get anything because we don't have any video inside our folder. So let's just go and put a video inside our folder. Here I have a video. Let's just drag and drop it here inside our Google Drive. So now it is uploading, and once the upload is done, I'll go back to n8n and I'll fetch the event, and you see that we will have this video inside our n8n. All right, now the video is uploaded on our Google Drive. Let's go back to n8n and click fetch test event, and you see that here we got one item, which is exactly our video inside our Google Drive. So now the next step is actually to send this video to Submagic by using an HTTP request. So click here and write HTTP request, and here we need to actually configure some settings, but we need to go to their API documentation and read their API documentation. So in order to create a project, we need to send the post request to this address with our API key, and the content type is application.json, and here is the title for the video. We need language, we need video URL, we need template name, webhook URL, a dictionary, magic zoom, magic b-roll, and so on. So if you scroll down, you see that some parameters we need to send, and they are required. So authentication, this is to authenticate our connection between our n8n server to Submagic server. This is required, and this is our API key. I will show you how we can get it. The request body is required, also title, language, video URL. These are the required parameters, but also we have some optional parameters like template name. This is a template to apply for styling. From this list we can see the list of their names. Here we have user tem ID, webhook URL. This is the URL to receive webhook notification when processing is complete. So once we send the video to Submagic, Submagic will create and edit our video and send it back to our n8n. And for that we need to have a webhook URL. Magic zoom, I already show you what are magic zooms, and it is a boolean like a true or false. If you want to have magic zooms inside your edit, you need to send a true parameter. Magic b-rolls, again this is the same. And magic b-roll percentage, you remember I showed you can tweak the percentage and see that how much of your video can have b-rolls. So in order to do that, what we can do, either we can try this API here, or we can directly copy this core command from here and go back to our n8n and import the core. Just paste it here and click on import. So once you import, all these parameters will auto-populate. So now you see the method is changed to post. This is the URL address that we are sending our project. Here we have authentication, but we are using none because we are sending the authentication under the headers. You see here we have our API key name, and here we should write our API key. And inside the body we are sending a JSON, which I'm going to show you how we can tweak this. So let's just start with our authentication. So the authentication is that we are sending, the name should be x-api-key, and this is exactly the same, but all we need to do is to change the value to our API key. Just go back to your Submagic dashboard, and here you see that you have get API key. Just click on it. It will take you to your account page, and under API you can generate an API key. Just click on generate API key, and remember it only shows you once, so make sure that you copy and save it somewhere else because it only shows you once. So just copy the API key, go back to n8n and paste it here. So now our API key is okay, it is fine. Now we need to change some settings inside send body. So under this JSON, change it from fixed to expression and try to open it. So we can change some settings here. So the title for this video, it is right now on default, it is my awesome video. I'm just gonna change it and say right here, my new IG video. I just wanted to show you how you can change these things. So language, I'm gonna use English. The video URL, here you need to put the video URL that you get from your Google Drive. So let me just make it shorter here. This one you need to delete, and from your Google Drive trigger you need to find your video URL. All right, you need to scroll down here until you find here a web content link. So you need to use this link and put it inside this quotation in front of a video URL. This is exactly the video URL that you are sending to Submagic. So the template name, right now it is on Hormozy 2, but if you go back to the documentation, you can see that they have different template for the captions. So just click on this get templates, and you will see that they have different templates named Sarah, Daniel, Dan2, Hormozy4, Dan, Devin. So whatever you want to use, you need to pass this name to Submagic. So I'm just gonna keep it as Hormozy2 because that is fine. The webhook URL, this is exactly the address that we need to put and give Submagic once the video is done. The Submagic will use that address and send it back to us. So we will get back to this one later. So the dictionary here is set to Submagic AI powered captions. This is for our captions. Just keep it as it is. And if you want magic zooms, just send true. If you don't want, just send false. It is also the same for magic b-rolls and magic b-roll percentage. You need to change this number. So I'm going to change this one to 50. So I want only 50% of my video to have magic b-rolls. I want magic b-rolls, so I'm going to set it on true, and magic zooms I don't want, so I'm just going to put it as false. So right now everything is fine, except that we need to change this webhook URL in order to receive our edited video. So let's go back to our editor here. Now we need to add another node, which is a webhook. Just bring a webhook node. Make sure to change the webhook method from get to post. So now once the video is ready, we will get it inside this webhook, and we can also add it again to our Google Drive, but this time to a different folder. So again, bring a Google Drive, and here this time we can choose upload file, but let's just go back to Google Drive and create a new folder. This time I'm gonna say Submagic export. This is for exporting the video. I'm just gonna create it. Now once we get the video, we will upload it here. So let's just go back to n8n. Just make sure to connect your Google Drive account, and the operation is upload. And right now we don't have the data, but here we will put it later. The file name, we can also change it later, but we want to upload it to my drive, and we should choose the folder. Here I can choose the Submagic export, as you can see. So here it is. Just for now it is fine. So now we have triggered our Google Drive. Now Google Drive, the first trigger has our webhook, the video. And now if I click play and send this HTTP request to Submagic, the Submagic will automatically start processing my video, and then after that I have to turn this webhook on in order to receive back my video. So let's just do that. Let's just click on this. Now it should start, and now I need to click on start this one and wait for data to receive in this webhook. All right, so now we can start our automation and start using their API in order to edit our videos without going to Submagic dashboard. So here I'm just gonna say again, we will get our video from our Google Drive and send it to Submagic with all the information that how we want to edit this. And once the video is done, Submagic will send the video back to our webhook, and we will receive it inside our webhook. And I just added another HTTP request. This is a very simple get method, because we need to download the video from the URL that they sent, and then we need to pass this again to our Google Drive and upload it inside our Submagic export folder. So let's just quickly show you how the video looks without editing, and after that, once the video is done and we get it back inside our Submagic export folder, I'm going to also show you how was the edit. So let's just play this for you.
Selling n8n agents will keep you broke in 2025. This is just...
Alright, as you see, this video doesn't have any captions and doesn't have any transition or video effects. So this is exactly that we are sending to Submagic. So I'm just gonna go back to n8n, and so one thing before we send a request to Submagic is actually to put our webhook URL inside this node, because once we sent off this workflow, we really don't know how long does it take for Submagic to create our video and send it back to our webhook. That's why I need to activate this workflow and wait for data to arrive. So from here, I'm just going to activate the workflow, and now the workflow is active. I go to webhook, and from test URL I need to use production URL. Just copy this one, go back to this node, this HTTP request that we sent to create a project, and inside the JSON body I need to put this address in front of webhook URL. So now I just paste it here, and Submagic will send it to this address. and everything else stays the same. Just click save, and now the workflow is active. I can actually go back to my folder, which is the import folder, and make a little bit change, like I just rename the video, like for example I just put 1 and click OK. Now because the workflow is active and this node is constantly every minute, you see it is here, it is set to every minute. Every minute it will check for an update. So now I just made an update, I just renamed this, so this is exactly an update. And after a minute the workflow will start, but we cannot see it here in the editor, therefore we need to go to executions. So right now we are staying inside executions, and after a minute, once this automation is started, we can see it here. All right guys, yeah, you see that this first workflow is already running and started. So if we click here, we can see that we got the file or the video from our Google Drive, and we send all the information to Submagic. So now when we go to Submagic dashboard, if we try to refresh our dashboard, we should be seeing our first project that is currently being processed. Let me just refresh again. Yeah, you see that this is the first project that we sent now, and it is generating. Once the video is done, then Submagic will send it to our webhook, and here we'll start the second automation. All right, now you see that the second automation is also started. So right now the Submagic has sent us the video to our webhook URL, and next we need to download it and also upload it inside our Google Drive. And so once this execution is done, I'm going to get back to it, and I'm going to show you that here we have our exported video inside our Submagic export folder in Google Drive. And if we go back to our Submagic dashboard again, if we try to refresh, we will see that our project has been exported because we exported from Submagic. Actually, Submagic exported the video and sent it to our webhook URL. So now we can download it and upload it inside our Google Drive. All right, guys, that's it. You see, this execution is already finished, but it took a little bit longer because we were downloading the video and also uploading it inside our Google Drive. It really depends on your internet connection, but let's just quickly check our folder here. And there you go, you see that we have our exported video. So I'm just going to play it for you, and we will see how this edit was done by Submagic.
Selling n8n agents will keep you broke.
All right, as you can see, it has added a very cool caption to my video, and let's just see about the transition and also about the B-rolls.
In 2025. This is just a hype.
All right, you see that there was one transition, like video transition, and there was this cool effect, and right now we are seeing a B-roll.
Everybody is now talking about it, but it really doesn't solve the real problem for a business. Yes, it automates the Gmail, automating messages, or even creating leads. But business owners are only in the business to make more money. If your solution doesn't bring money to the business, then they are not happy to give you anything. When you understand this, you go from selling n8n.
All right, now again we are back from B-roll to the main video.
Then agents and start selling AI receptions. You ask why? This AI receptionist picks up the phone instantly and reduces human work. And with this method, the business can start.
But this is really cool that it really understands when to go to the B-roll and when to come back from B-roll to the main video. So those parts that are very important that I'm talking, and the viewer has to watch the main video, it comes back to the main video. And those parts that are less important, I don't want to just say less important, but those parts that it feels that it can add a B-roll, then it make a transition to the B-roll. It is very intelligent, and I'm really satisfied with the result. So let's just keep continue watching
making more money. Here's the research. It says between 25 to 62% of the calls go unanswered in many industries. 76% stop using a company after.
And the caption is really good. It has some emojis with some effects. And so far I didn't see any misspelling, so the accuracy is exactly as it should be.
One bad phone experience, and 60% of the
that was really cool. This paper transition is really good. I really liked it. And now again we are watching a B-roll.
Clients will hang up the phone if you keep them on hold for more than a minute. But with AI receptionists, they can answer calls 24/7. They can handle multiple calls at once, capture more leads, and drive more sales to the business. So let's say that a business gets 100 leads, and out of these 100, 30 calls get answered, and at the 80% conversion rate, they can convert.
All right, you see that how these B-rolls are super relevant to the context of my video. The Submagic is doing a really great job generating these B-rolls.
24 clients, and each client they pay 500. So
And this is the most important part of my video, so we made a transition from B-roll to the main video.
It is total $12,000. But on the other hand, they have also 80 missed calls, which at the same conversion rate, they could have converted 64 clients.
Again.
And if each clients pay $500, they could have earned $32,000 more. So this means that if you are able to give $32,000 more each month to the business owner, then you are able to
yeah, these two B-rolls are super relevant to the what I'm talking about.
Charge them anywhere between $3,000 to $8,000 with a monthly retainer of $1,000 to $2,000 a month.
Alright guys, that's it. You see how well edited was this video, and it really takes hours to create such viral content, but with just few clicks Submagic made it like under 5 minutes. So now let's just go back to n8n and I'll show you what happened exactly once we received the webhook. So let's just open here. We get a bunch of information, but the most important thing inside the webhook is actually the download URL. This is the URL that Submagic gives us so we can download our video. And once we get this, we need to pass it to another HTTP request, which the method should be get. And inside the URL, you just have to drag this download URL and put it here inside this parameter. And once you do that, you get this binary file, which its name is data, and we have different information about it here. And then we need to pass this binary data to our Google Drive node here, and here the operation is upload. We want to upload our video inside our folder, and here for the file name I just wrote exported dash and the title from the video. So I got this from the webhook node, which is coming from Submagic, and here you see that we have the title, so I just put it in front of here, and you see as a result it is written exported dash my new IG video. This is exactly the same name for my file. And here you need to choose your drive and the parent folder. So I created a Submagic export. This is the folder, and I'm telling that upload it inside this folder exactly. And once it is done, you will get it inside your folder. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Submagic is a real magic. You see, with only few clicks, you can get viral content under a minute. Again, there is a link down in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get 10% off for your next purchase, or you can just use this code at checkout to get the 10% off. That's it for this video. I hope you found value and you enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you who needs to make this automation and automate the full content creating using Submagic. If you want to download this template for completely free, you can join my WAP community. The link to it is down in the description. Once you join the community, you can go to free resources and you can download this JSON file. Once you download it, just go back to n8n and start a new workflow. Click on these three dots and import the file from here. So you will get this template here, and you just need to create your credentials and connect it to your n8n. We also have a paid community where you can learn how to build AI agents, AI voice agents, and AI automations. Definitely check it out. I'm dropping a new course on WAPI Masterclass where I teach you how you can create AI voice agents and to be able to sell them to businesses and start making money. We also have weekly live calls where we jump on a call together, and you can bring all your questions and problems about your workflows or anything else, and I'll guarantee all of your questions get answered. Definitely check it out, and if you have any questions, you can put a comment under this video, or you can talk to me inside the community. I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.